Hey friends, hi. See, I just want to share something with you. I got a super product installed in my home today. It's called HoRo. It's a smart automation project for smart homes. So, I personally am a very lazy guy, so I don't want to go to my switchboard to operate my lights and fans. And this product just does what I needed. So, I was just watching my TV and I feel it's very, bright in here. So I thought, why not just dim it down? See, it's very easy. I can just do it at tip of my hands and it feels great, right? So I can control lights, I can control fan for that matter. And best part is, the device is really small. It fits into my switchboard. I'm not sure if it's visible. It should be now. Fits into my switchboard and it's very quick to be installed, like 20 minutes and it's done. And it fits into my budget, so why not try it, right? Go for it.